Looking for an easy, effective way to improve ventilation or secure your refrigerator or converter door? The Frig Converter Vent Latch offers a straightforward solution. With a 2-pack including one short and one long latch, it's designed to keep air flowing while ensuring doors stay firmly closed when needed. I recently faced a challenge with an older gas heater that had a broken latch. The previous fix was a messy metallic tape job that just didn't hold up. After trying the Frig Converter Vent Latch, especially the longer version, I found it worked perfectly to secure the door. Installation took some patience to avoid damage, and it was a bit inconvenient that the same size latches come only in packs of 2. Still, since the manufacturer no longer offers replacements and aftermarket options were nowhere to be found, this product was a practical and cost-effective fix. Plus, it eliminated the annoying noise caused by the loose metal grill when the heater warmed up, a clear bonus. If you're dealing with ventilation or door closure issues on your RV, travel trailer, or even older appliances like furnaces, this latch is worth considering. It's easy to install, built for durability, and comes from a trusted supplier of RV replacement hardware. If that's you, give the Frig Converter Vent Latch a try when you're ready. It could be the simple upgrade that brings peace of mind and better airflow.